someone's asking about these control arms. These are our new Density Line B9 control arms. These fit all popular B9 sedan options like the S4 and the RS5, and they fit SQ5, right, Sean?
No,
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 no
SQ5's
SQ5.
not.
Okay, those are bigger.
Yep.
I thought one of them did. So this is our standard density line control arm. So this is a factory style forging. This is our forging. Our logo's etched in. And then we re-engineer the bushings to be as stiff as possible while still giving long-term reliability. But this is the stiffest rubber we can put into a torsion bushing like this, which these bushings twist on themselves. So if you go too stiff, the rubber at some point will just tear. And then on the inner bushing, the most of the factory stuff is fluid filled in here, and so once the rubber can fail and all the fluid leaks out, then all of a sudden this bushing just trashes itself. So these are solid. Well, they're not solid rubber, but they are full rubber bushings that are shaped to again allow the twist and torsion around that axis when your suspension compresses. These are available right now, just the lowers, and then we do sell our adjustable uppers, which allow for camber or camber correction. Yeah. So you can either we have two sets. One's to if you want to reduce your camber because you lowered your car too much. The other would allow you to get camber if you want more grip traction from your tires. And these also include new ball joints as well. So
as well as all the hardware.
Yes, and the full hardware kit complete. I know I've seen other companies. I don't know if anyone else is. I think we're pretty early to market on B9 control arms, but like in the B5, B6, B7, B8 arm kits that we sell, most companies just throw in one generic hardware kit, and like half the hardware actually works. So we've spent the time to go through every piece of hardware and make sure that every kit you buy comes with the correct hardware for your make.
And it is not easy.
And
There's so many
very complicated. There's literally thousands. I mean, we have these spreadsheets tracking it. There's thousands of part numbers and changes, and from year to year. So we've done that to provide the best quality result for customers, and that hardware should all be changed